the nerve to ask me that. Bitch, you know I was
Wow.
never gonna
Wow.
do that.
Wow.
Ever.
Wow.
Like, I would rather go to
Wow.
jail.
In the District Court of Crowley-Winfield, Kansas, filed pursuant to KSA Chapter 60, Charla versus Mary Broussard, respondent, order of contempt. Now on this 3rd day of October 2025, the above-captioned matter comes on for trial on petitioner's motion for contempt and motion to extend protection order for 1 to 3 years. The Honorable Richard presiding. Petitioner appears in person and pro se. Respondent appears via Zoom and pro se. Thereupon, the court finds that petitioner filed a motion for finding of indirect contempt of court pursuant of KSA 20-1204A. That said motion included the statutorily required affidavit and ordered directing respondent to appear and show cause as to why she should not be held in contempt, and thereupon the court finds that this matter is properly before the court, that it has jurisdiction over both parties, and that both parties appear before the court on October 3rd, 2025, at which time the respondent stipulated to the allegations of contempt in petitioner's affidavit, and it appearing to the satisfaction of the court that based upon the verified affidavit of petitioner and stipulation of the respondent, and the respondent should be found in contempt of the protection from stalking final order entered herein on May 7th, 2024, for failing to, quote, immediately cease and desist all activity on YouTube, Facebook, with YouTube, or other media platforms, whether by herself or through third parties that mentions or involves plaintiff in any manner, end quote, and for additional statements made or actions taken through YouTube and other social media formats which were knowingly and intentionally directed at petitioner, causing her reasonable fear for her safety and caused her to suffer substantial emotional distress, and it further appearing that petitioner has requested an extension for the protection from stalking order entered by this court on more than one occasion since its entry, establishing the basis for the extension of the order, and the respondent stipulates to the extension of the protection from stalking order for an additional 3 years, and now, therefore, it is considered ordered, adjudged, and decreed by the court that the respondent, Mary M. Broussard, be and is hereby found to be in contempt of the court's prior order, for which she should be sentenced to jail until such time as she has fully and completely deleted any and all references to the petitioner, whether such reference is her by her given name or a slang, fictitious name created by respondent, or any third party, from all videos and social media posts, and it is further ordered that respondent shall immediately and in the future cease, stop, and discontinue all further reference to or about petitioner and these proceedings, whether such reference to her is by her given name or slang, fictitious name created by respondent, or any third party, and it is further ordered that while incarceration as set forth above is an appropriate sanction for her violation of the order, the parties stipulate that the sanction shall be stayed for a period of 60 days to allow respondent to purge or clean herself of the contempt by removing all references to petitioner, whether such reference is her given name or slang, fictitious name created by respondent, or any third party, from her videos on YouTube and posts on all social media platforms, and it is further ordered upon stipulation of both parties that within 60 days the respondent shall provide proof of such removal of URLs listed in the attached addendum from the YouTube dashboard to the petitioner, and it is further ordered that the respondent shall immediately and forthwith cease any and all references to the petitioner as set forth above, and It is further ordered that the final protection from stalking order entered on May 7th, 2024 be and is hereby extended for 3 years as stipulated by the parties, and it is further ordered that should respondent fail to comply with this order of contempt and fail to purge or cleanse herself of said contempt within the specified 60 days, a bench warrant may be issued for her arrest. Signed, Judge, Seal of the District Court.
And I'm embarrassed and I'm ashamed of myself.